In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make two videos into one vertical video in CapCut. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop app, the web version, or the mobile app. The process is essentially the same. Once you're in, we'll start a fresh project so everything is clean and easy to manage. Create a new project and set the canvas to 9:16. This is the standard vertical format used by TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Choosing 9:16 up front saves you from having to reframe later, and it ensures both clips fit naturally in a vertical layout. If you don't see the ratio right away, look for the aspect ratio selector and switch it to 9:16 before you import anything else. Now, add your first video to the timeline. This will act as the base layer. Import the clip and drop it in. It should appear on the canvas and in your timeline. If the footage is horizontal, don't worry. We'll take care of framing in a moment. For now, just make sure the first clip covers the full duration you need. Next, click Add Overlay. This tells CapCut you want to place another video on top of the first one. Overlays are perfect for side-by-side or picture-in-picture looks, and they let you control each clip independently. Add your second video as the overlay. Once it's in, you'll see a new layer above your base video in the timeline, and you can select it on the canvas. This gives you the flexibility to move it, scale it, and line it up exactly where you want. Now, adjust the size and position so both videos are visible in the vertical frame. With the overlay selected, drag the corner handles to resize, then drag to place it. For a clean split, you can stack one video on the top half and the other on the bottom half, or position one slightly smaller in a corner for a picture-in-picture look. If needed, select the base video and scale it down a touch so the important parts stay in view. Keep an eye on the subjects. Try to keep faces and key action away from the extreme edges so nothing gets cropped on different platforms. Use the preview playback to check alignment and make small tweaks until the composition feels balanced. And that's it. You've combined two clips into a single vertical video using a base layer and an overlay, then sized and positioned them to fit the 9:16 canvas. Once you're happy with the layout, your project is ready for final touches or export in the format you prefer.